show the year 2003. In here, the first time who introduced Echo. As of that 2003, Martin Vawodo, yes, over postponed it to 2005. 2005, over postponed it. Martin Vawodo. From 2005, still postponed it to 2010. From 2010, still Nicola postponing, all shifting, cover 2015. From 2015, if you are to the year 2021, so go for time, at time expect time, Katan and Makola shifting, back over Akufa per time. That recently, your Ogaila meeting, ECOWAS meeting now. That was meeting I call Akufa doing chairman. Taya I got postponed it to 2027. Echo the if you ever any doubts, I'm over Susuma. Ever now move so having because 2003 we introduced Equa, second one currency, I look at the all the 15 members of Equa states. What do Amado Chucha Trebe no Egaya Ejagoma because of Alcobrena Freemason to little to what is your control to come allow you control the whole world. Ta to swear or Mulanyaba the whole world over do a gadaka which is single currency. That's about no Jagoma nema if you are antichrist Aja ruling goma Tana the various religious groups, various churches are preach nata ever lamu for tumor. Tana my high internet open because of echo alo single currency over the 15th Equa state members so gonna druga co churches no ale no akwa yima ale mi church no nyebe ma join Freemason no ma timbona enu plago ma timbona na ka ogo e na malemu ho a ofuga ko vanya you may have a misconception alo the ring in Lamopotomo. That up to now, the Benyaba and my Ghana delay of a low postponement of a vamber one of shifts in the okay, yeah, like a still Equa the 15 West African member states what did you do more? Mufiaba Susuma Taya. Recently, I call Ogai meeting. I said, it's both francophones and anglophone. French told them, English told them, allo French speaking countries, English speaking countries. For example, Togo is French speaking country, Benin French speaking country, Burkina Faso, Cote d'Ivoire French speaking country, Ghana, Nigeria, other countries who are French speaking countries, English speaking countries. Only country I call West Africa, AO form the 15 members of ECOWAS states. Postponement ya le ECOWAS anya nuika in fact ala fudendra mado mado kwa jiji nyanyebe anyo pamba the 15 member state of Africa West Africa nyadu gadaka alo one single currency ta mado kwa jiji okoko nyebe lu van nema ke alie ga mele stable wa ga rise na a change dollar plonu yakata ana Ghana no stable alo currency ana no stable alo kpekpemade na no si egba na kosidia kpekpemade kama lesio na konaira kra kpekpemade kama lesio yaka mo pajiji hanya ba no nyeba mi kata mile one single currency adu alo eco aduma aba ana kpekpemade na no galanwa alo gapa inflation rate kutoto ano stable eta if ya the chairman Sikanya Akufo-Addo never explain but may explain into detail so allo ma global susuyata here called do it time dia postpone ko ile 2027 no Martin explain no that there are amado sikanye who have knowledge na gblagbanla onya gbanla pa wona research ta wo research yo pop no ale no akoyima ale French to over gedema odizme because of geopolitical ania French or France geopolitical interest because of over politics background we talk to no one enema ana over lose interest gbogbo za alo over lose value gbogbo that France like interest protecting ta enya amado research aka amado wo ye over to over France like interest protecting ta anmata France elle amo convincing that will from France ever le other members so convincing alebe moga accept to alebe on postpone it as one moga be biabere on postpone it ba ko dasre ekai time ka on postpone ma kanu nya ba malaji so wa lo jiva go wa kanu katunu si anu wa pa amopo time wasting on all mo than suspense all mo than o kwa mo post ko da than ha enu ya de ekai ojiva ge eno ha ma jiva mu ta no wa toti kran anyu ta enya enu ya ke amado ho gbogron ta enya enu ike amole enwudru up to now kran abele magblodongwa the chairman sikanye Akufo-Addo alo Ghana president Nana Akufo-Addo adodankwa metiva kona na kan kokura kama nwa ta enya nu still ale amopa susu hempa manyevion yaka bia anya ba nyata pa onye ba because alle church is all preaching against Freemason ba the whole world agbona enu walo kika makata agbona nu fa alebe ale kolo fo nu fiame ba antichrist agbona ruga no nya ba oje gomane na macho ECOWAS dudujia alebe that 15 member state of West African countries all dugadeka from a female kwa get what force the whole world bali America nya super power country low country aka machoba yeah le country the stand alu du ko the stand that everybody no nya ba oti na ECOWAS implement over to a kafia fima as signal America America a force open ya that single currency olokebe the whole world na adua jebe antichrist but that anwa elamo posu hempa in fact up to now amadowa ole domoza azon amado ho munya fiki olo amado bukran amado ho afi otoru afi mako otoru ta in fact that still am yo miele ekumba afi ke o seru alo afi ke odua alaki ke onye mima kuga ka no nyeba nyate po nyeba because of antichrist bona ruga e o len ma forcing but what start to that 16 member states here that ma yeba na nkoge no nyeba mi wo mi apa research alo mi wo mi apa investigation if ya ebanyiba tv amiata a conclude na neko nya to ko nyeba mi awo investigation ale no caller nya cover amasiama pomoji alaba amasiama na ko afika nya tepalo alo ale afika ankodia la nya ko ankodia tepe ta ebanyiba tv amiata Adam dala pana mareko na miata akpanya de ke be mi va goglomo ale ke nya jojo ale kwa enema komi koga akova mi apemoji ma ebanyiba tv miata forge news abale amo ba kwanya akọ ya at the end of the day ke problem na va ebanyiba tv mi le de nemo ta amada akpeno le eyi amebe de ga odeka problem le ebanyiba tv kon ma wona yira ogogoza yento yo number Christian Adiabo alo civist nyenkonye akpe beklami